before?
Yeah.
But you should not move. Walk faster. Walk faster.
Nah, I don't care. I'm gonna move.
Okay, go.
The crickets are scaring me.
Yeah, let it see you.
Thank you for Thank you for that.
Use your hand, not the block. Just one hand. Two hands here in the block.
No, can you help stretch it out? It's stuck.
Can you hear the cars passing?
Yeah, I can video anything in this phone.
Yeah.
My gosh. Not. This is scaring me, the cricket. Don't make a joke that the cricket is a sport. Stop it. You better stop it. I know you're gonna make it at the moment.
Yes, I'm not that of a dad.
You're not much of a dad joke. Nope, not looking at that.
Why? It's okay. Just grass growing and when you go up the grass will grow like
Naya, your business. Okay there?
yes. Nag-walking tour siya. Right? Oh, that's the like walking tour with mommy or me. Somehow you're always videoing mommy.
No, not. How can I face the sun? Then I go like this.
Oh.
Ooh. Yeah. Gosh. Wait, does this work? Oh, it does nothing. I pour cafe.
If there's cake, yeah, let's get cake now also there.
Ah, yeah.
Alam niyo itong cake dito.
Alam itong cake dito. Baskin Robbins ang ganahan.
Can you press this back? Oh, yeah.
Wait lang daw for a while. After the stoplight, magagawa na daw.
Sabi niya?
Sabi na. Kanina. Kaysa kwan ba? Sa train. Sige ba? Ano mas stay? Ano yun? Michelle was like, yeah, she's watching me ba? I'm like, wait ka. Okay. Sa kwan daw, dito sa kwan daw. Is that right? Pag stop, the second stop daw. Hindi naman lang ba? There is a road there, Hangdong, what's that? What's that road, babe?
Hanggang Dero.
Hanggang there. Okay, so, she's like, what's the place? Where's the place? There, oh.
Hanggang Dero.
Hanggang there, oh.
Hanggang there.
Hanggang there. Okay lang. Hanggang there. Okay. Hanggang there, oh.
Hanggang there. Oh. No? Takto ra gid actually.
Mommy, you help take the jacket off. Mommy.
No, it's hard
Why?
right now. You're holding my hand. Go to daddy.
Okay, go.
Why?
Just watch where you're looking. You don't need to watch this. You should have did the time lapse so it's fast.
They don't have time lapse. Huh? I searched.
I'll show you.
Okay.
Solo traveler na isa. Grabe, no? Solo ka ba? You're scared na.
It's mega box.
Ooh.
Scooter.
There. I haven't found the purple bike.
No purple bike. Try to find a purple bike.
I will video this so tonight I can research if we missed it in this video. Stop the heck. What the heck did they just say? I am.
No, you should be ahead of me.
Why?
So if you disappear,
So realistic. Not.
Dito maunaw ba? He knows how to speak. He knows what to say. He doesn't have much results. Si Sarah, karon ako ngayon.
Ano naman?
They're all against her now.
Karon? Ano naman?
Gidaot na siya para pwede siya makadalan ng president.
Yes.
They want naman si Quanto
Pero
Rock.
iya performance kumusta na? Sarah, asan?
Nothing.
Wala dyan ko ba sa politics?
Nothing.
Si Marcos, wala sad.
Marcos, at least ba? I mean, I was against Marcos, but
Ah.
now, at least he knows he's diplomatic. Like Biden. He knows how to carry it. And then,
Really? Oh yeah. Okay. Fine. Oh, there's a 7-Eleven. You.
I read that as zero hair. CEO hair.
Ah,
On the right side.
Daddy Baka.
So I wanted to say, oh, so the bald guys go there.
Stop with your dad jokes. The cricket plays a game. Cricket. Nah. At least mine is in car. Look at the taxi with Biba.
That's a Viva.
There's a Biba. leave. This is 10-minute walk. Okay. Chill. Chill. Oh, we're... That's why I'm videoing.
Given na siya.
Sila Duterte, they're trying to
No purple pants.
but they're very dirty. So what that is
How come we saw so much in the bus?
Given na lang.
given naman.
Given na pero di-elect gihapon.
Let's see here.
Sabi ni Ana, po, ang mga tao diri.
Punta gani. Wala kita.
That's we went to 2 islands, di ba? Wala lagi tao. No, wala.
They're all in Seoul.
Seoul, no. Feeling ako they're working there and then coming home here. Siguro, no? Wala lagi tao.
Very mingyang.
It's alerting, so
No. No. I will not walk faster now.
we're here.
No, when we going?
No, stop here.
Okay, goodbye guys.
Ibig sabihin, okay naman siya, no? It will not
Okay na.
fun.
Basta walang puncture ang yang katong gatong ayan. Mahibawaan sa nimo puncture.
Ano yung sounded lagi nga?
So wala mo tayo. Pwede pa tamo, give me a cross. Here, up. Pwede sa gitna lang. Straight naman eh, di ba? Sama,
It's just a tuyok, di ba?
sama, tuyok man siya.
Unless if you go straight inside the one,
Train station.
the train station.
Ato na lang.
Ayaw na.
Oh, the hotel's right there. Asa ang hotel?
Pero Howard Johnson.
Sud ta sa train station?
Yeah.
Sud la ta train station, ya gawas ta sa
Sige,
exit.
Sige.
Sige daw. Pwede dahil. Sa train station, nabi exits, di ba?
Sud ta number 2. Kana exit 2 na siya. So sud ta sa exit 2, do sa exit 1. Exit 1. Why na lang? Oh.
Ano to dito yung sa ganina?
Because
Let's try.
You know, si Kwan ba? Si Iko ba? Sa una ba? Hindi,
It's okay.
kaning private travel around. And it's switch. Get the camera, small camera.
I'm not doing time
GoPro
lapse.
sa gat ba?
I don't know what's wrong.
I'm still not doing time lapse.
Mga fun
Check the
Diba?
check your video.
Yeah.
Maybe the memory.
like as early as her
So
ba?
we're gonna delete.
Huh? There is that full battery, see?
Not that. It's the space, the storage space. Remember? When you're videoing storage space going.
No. Why is it
Shangri-La event for
it's scaring me?
What's going?
there are some videos editing, there are some graphics lang planned mock-up for the
It's in here. You can't see it.
Crab and Crash. Then he did something
How
for
too near?
See? Look, can't see anything.
So what? I have to zoom in?
Why is it so shaky?
Because I'm walking.
Let me see.
architect, but not siya mag-sign. Siya, yeah. But he's the one who designed the...
No, it's shaky, Aliyah.
So, don't end it. What did you do?
Okay. Not shaky anymore. There's a function there that stabilizes, so when you're walking, it doesn't seem like you're walking.
Really?
Yeah, see? The video's like steady, right?
Yeah.
But you're walking, you're like bouncing. Oh, we can cross now.
Oh, we gotta hurry.
No, I don't think we'll be able to make it.
Look at your shadow, Vloggy.
Yeah, we're not gonna make it. Don't hurt
I'm not, I'm walking.
He gets to learn how to really.
Let him find his wisdom. For example, when I prayed for it, I felt like he was focused when it comes to worship. Worship, siya mag-worship for the past years. But now I never made it a big deal. Now it's free worship. Okay. And let's go like
Oh, look at that.
But let them go to church, you know.
Wait.
And then after that, together. I think your Sundays are happy.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool, bro. Ski scrapers.
wow, the message was like, wow, si ate ganyan. She likes mga older ates niya. Eh, hindi ko no drama because mga teenager na friends, maganda mga ates, care, ginaspan care. Sam, mom, I love how ate like
For the car, when it turns right, it's near there. So that's so near the curb.
on their own, but we made sure na no, you have to go.
And also, now they go
The
to work.
curb is there.
And then until they find a way to like it themselves.
Yeah, yun. Kanahin mo pa-pray. Because the Lord will really...
Stop, this thing is so scary. It's like it's gonna end when we're on it.
So, makata sa cons.
So, pag nag-pray, when you pray together as a family, you know, you see their heart. Yeah. You see what comes out of their mouth, diba? Yeah. So at first, before, parang, repetitive man ilang mga prayers, I see like, nasan na sila ko eh, ano ba? Now, I can see more of them, I can see more meaning.
Lord, what are the... Watch out, there's what.
Oh, is that
What are the core exercises that you do now?
plank o kuandra katong what? Sit on the air.
Sit on the air in the wall?
Plank.
Yeah, ang plank yun na makakuha na.
Are you vlogging, Aliyah? Walking tour daw siya.
Walking?
Kailangan kita siya mag-vlog.
Oh, why not?
Kasi kita siya, yan ang sa composition.
You should.
Karoon din namin makadungog. Yan ang i-private.
Ah, okay. It's just at the page
Sige, makadungog po eh.
Oh, baka.
Dungog gihapon.
Makadungog kayo. Nakikita na dog here. For my years, may sabuan na yung gift for music and writing.
Okay, we're going in the...
Like Ninang.
We're still gonna hold it.
Yeah,
Yeah, very.
yeah.
Okay.
Why are we in the train station? Where are we going? Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah?
Where are we going in?
We're going to pass by the... This is the exit 2, right?
Yeah.
So we go in and we go out the exit 1 on the other side.
So why aren't we going the easier way?
This is the easier way.
Huh?
It's either go in here and go out the other way, or we go around.
Okay.
Because the train station is in the middle.
Okay. Oh, it's my weakness, Bob.
That's a Chinese one.
Ooh.
Yeah. Dapat na license daw.
Daddy, purple bikes.
Yeah, license.
Daddy,
Yeah.
purple bikes.
It's only up lang.
Daddy.
Nay up, bro.
Daddy,
Give me
daddy,
the
daddy.
license. Wait, I need the purple bike.
The license from the Philippines?
Didn't he a license? Yeah.
The name? It's Korean. I
Yeah,
give
no.
up.
I just need to get it.
Really, I give up.
Just need the name.
Okay. Okay. Let's go.
Very good, Leah. You found the purple bike. So let's see tomorrow if we can.
If we get what, right?
So basin mas sayon ang kuan no. O kaagi lang na sa daan. Well, never know until we try. Yung mara na itong saka na yun.
Parang hindi tayo, no? Straight lang.
Interesting. Oh, na or dili na mao. Super big fans.
Ah, the big.
That's the wrong place to put the fans. Remember to put the fans going out, like facing out here, facing out the other way.
Saka na ito, ma. Kailangan transport ka.
Ito.
Yeah.
You want it easier, so you can just carry it up. You can move it up. Oh,
Fine.
just like that.
Yay.
Get it lower. Here.
Maybe I think I like the usual that one. No, Daddy, I like
No,
the
lower
usual.
like that.
No,
Okay.
the usual. Oh, this is nice, hurry up. Hurry up.
Diba si Pinata? Oo. No, you wanted 8 dinner? Dinner.
Look, remember we passed by here when we were done?
Yeah.
We passed by here. And then we were finding our hotel, and then we turned left, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna pass by here? We can pass by here.
Oh my gosh, no.
No?
I just want to go home.
We can
Hey!
go home there. It's like straight all the way also. Just go with them here now.
Yes.
Honestly, magsayaw-sayaw na siya. Okay.
Hindi, magsayaw-sayaw naman ako si
Don't.
David. Mag-Michael Jackson na lang yung moves niya. Tanaran yung ma-learn. Lagi, niya type 5 po. That is the only thing he gives. Everything he gives is just what I get. Type 5 and sayaw-sayaw.
Kasi ng olive yan. Meron siya open.
It's like Sephora.
Everything is like picture na ha?
So we might go particular one.
No, you stepped on the puddle again, Aliyah.
Yeah, I know. I can't see it.
You can, I saw it.
Super nice.
Here. Stop here, stop.
Wait, I'm sorry. Ah, yeah. I will just go there also pass there.
Okay.
Hindi natawa, di ba?
Yes, dito ta.
Grabe, wag ito, Billy. Ayun ka.
In the morning, wag ito sa morning.
Wala, lost all day. Wala, ginahalas. That's why, every sa morning, mingaw dyan ang Korea. Because they're all open 10, 11. Yeah, yes. That's why people joke, that's why Korea is called the land of the morning calm. Because nothing is open.
Hindi pa ko rin na mag-inom siya to lately.
Yan, kay Dugay sa mga mata.
They're the same.
Balik. Sa lunch tulog.
Darling.
No video people, they don't like it, so skip.
Sikat ka rin nga breakfast.
Tulog.
That's why if you are a tourist,
But,
you just pause?
Yeah, I just paused.
You're waiting for food.
I paused. Nice job.
I pause. So it's called an I pause now.
Tomorrow evening,
Chiki, 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 chiki.
Oh, this
Oh,
is where you
yeah.
carried your pants yesterday.
I know.
Here, Aliyah.
No coffee. Go on.
Gabi
yeah.
sa paglakaw ron eh. Pwede ba yan siya gabi? Mabang ka mo ng 25,000. Ano mo na grabe ang kakong piling? Kaya sakit akong tiyan.
Sakit yung pinila ko. Pero
Akong anak din akong tuos ay.
sa tanan na itong larga, this is most comfy yan. Akong lakaw.
Because imong shoes are sakto. After all these years.
Anad ba ko?
Una, after all these years, karon na siya ka nang hinaw,
So,
no?
message ko ni JD Road.
Thank you so much for giving me the right shoes.
Ano nga, feeling na ko na, ako na lang tao.
Diba? Ako na among feeling normally, pero ako feeling karon kay mura kung kanang Chinese kita kanang asa na wa.
Yeah.
Kanang Chinese kita kanang
잠시만 기다려 주십시오.
binder ang shoes kay para small
왼팔
square
공원
yan. Di mo na akong
횡단보도입니다.
feeling karon.
She's small. Di pakatawag nga na.
Ano daw? Patka?
Pak is tigot.
Suslang.
Tiil.
Patka.
So, pak. P-H-A.
Susalangin.
Patka. Mura akong feeling yun. Pagkakon mo akong feeling. Ay, napag ako di siya pag-iisip sa is.
Balik lang ang shoes. Ganyan. Balik ka shoes, balik ka na diya.
Kailangan ito ko ganang ani. Kanang
Hey, nga na yun ba? Ang gawa na yun. Don't do that. It's gonna be dizzy in the video.
Oh, look, it's in espresso. It's a Toyota.
No, it's not.
Look, it's there.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is the first
first
Japanese
Toyota.
car. I saw it. Take a picture.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture.
Don't cover me. You're covering me.
You're covering me.
Come on.
Toyota, first car we saw, that's Japanese. Yaya banana leaves. Oh, let's go.
은골공원 방향 6차로 횡단보도에 녹색불이 켜졌습니다.
랄라스이트 요새에서 찾아본 적 있어요.
Then we have to cross again, right? Stop it.
잠시만 기다려 주십시오. 근무 데스크비 왼쪽에서 호텔 방향 횡단보도입니다.
Remember when you're walking, you watch where you're walking, not this one. You don't watch this one.
So that one just hits whatever it is, making. You watch the road.
Oh, it's not.
There.
Like your car.
근무 데스크비
Ang par na to, no, ang Korea, tumatunga din siya sa Japan o Philippines.
Ito nga, di isa doy. Mas more of Japan siya kaysa Philippines.
Oo, pero looks siya ba? Hindi siya Japan nakikita.
Ano na ako, mas doon siya sa Japan kaysa Philippines. Sa'yo, kaya
Okay.
sige. Di din madalayo rin yung kay Pilipinas
Outside.
sa inyo. Huwag na karon kaysa gabi, no? Tapos you're go one whole day.
Okay. Ito na sa si Kuan na to.
Sige. Nakabaya tayo pagkaon, di ba?
Yan, hapang.
Ano lang kung baon ako.
Aliyah, turn it off now. We're going in.
Okay.